In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use PartnerStack's API for custom integrations. If you've been looking to integrate PartnerStack with your existing platforms or systems, stick around. I'm going to break it all down and show you exactly how to get started. PartnerStack is a powerful affiliate and partner management platform that allows businesses to scale through strategic partnerships. Its API is the key to making those integrations work smoothly, enabling you to connect your PartnerStack account with other tools, automate processes, and track performance like never before. So, let's dive into how you can use PartnerStack's API to unlock these benefits. First, you'll need to get access to the API. PartnerStack makes it easy to get started. Once you're logged into your PartnerStack account, navigate to the API section in your account settings. Here, you'll find your API key, which is what you'll need to authenticate your API calls. Keep this key safe because it allows you to interact with your PartnerStack data. Now let's talk about the basic API request you'll use. PartnerStack's API is RESTful, meaning it follows standard conventions for HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. This makes it easy for developers to interact with the API and pull data from or send data to your PartnerStack account. To get started, you'll probably begin by using GET-REQUEST to fetch data. For example, if you want to pull information on all of your partners, you can use a GET-REQUEST to the partner's endpoint. This will give you detailed information about each partner, including their status, revenue, and commissions. When you're looking to create new partners or update existing ones, you'll use the POST and PUT methods. The POST method allows you to create a new partner, and the PUT method enables you to update information about an existing partner. You'll need to send data in JSON format for both of these requests. But it's not just about fetching data. The real power of PartnerStack's API comes when you start automating tasks. Let's say you want to trigger an action whenever a new partner joins your program. You can use webhooks to listen for specific events and automatically execute an action when that event happens. For example, when a new partner is added, you can automatically send them a welcome email or assign them to a specific campaign. Another powerful feature of PartnerStack's API is the ability to manage payouts. If you're running a partner program, you can automate payout calculations and send payments directly to your partners through PartnerStack's API. This feature is incredibly useful for streamlining your operations, saving time, and ensuring your partners get paid accurately and on time. While integrating PartnerStack's API might seem like a lot of work at first, the platform's detailed documentation and developer resources make it easy to understand and implement. They provide step-by-step instructions on how to use each API endpoint, along with examples to help guide you through the process. For anyone new to APIs or PartnerStack, don't worry. Once you get familiar with the basics, you'll see just how powerful this tool can be for automating your partnership program. Whether you're managing partners, tracking performance, or processing payouts, PartnerStack's API is a versatile tool that can be customized to fit your unique business needs. If you're ready to get started, I want to remind you that you can access PartnerStack's API and start experimenting with it today. Plus, if you follow the link below, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial that lets you try the platform with no commitment. So, whether you're just getting started with PartnerStack or looking to deepen your integration, you now know the key steps to using PartnerStack's API to streamline your operations. Remember, the API offers endless possibilities when it comes to automation and custom integrations, so don't hesitate to dive in and experiment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial of PartnerStack through the link below.